How was your day today? Busy and bustling or calm and serene? No matter the answer, it's important to remember that each day brings its own unique blend of experiences. And as the day winds down, it's time to release the tensions and embrace the tranquility of the evening. Welcome to our guided meditation session, Evening Wind Down. A soothing journey designed to help you transition from the day's activities to a restful night's sleep. No matter how your day was, this meditation session will help you unwind and transition smoothly into a peaceful evening. Begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, where you can relax without interruption. Close your eyes and begin to turn your attention inward. Breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, calming air. Feel your chest and belly expand as you take in this breath of peace and tranquility. Hold this breath for a moment, letting the calmness wash over you. Now, slowly, release the breath through your mouth. As you exhale, visualize the day's stress and tension leaving your body with the breath. Feel a wave of relaxation sweep through you. Let's repeat this process. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale slowly. With each breath, you're sinking deeper into a state of relaxation, your mind and body becoming one with the rhythm of your breathing. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel the tensions of the day melting away. Now that you're relaxed and centered, it's time to take a mental journey to a tranquil place. Picture yourself on a soft green meadow under a clear starlit sky. Feel the cool, gentle breeze on your skin, carrying with it the subtle scent of fresh earth and blooming flowers. Listen to the soft rustle of leaves in the distance, the hushed whispers of the wind telling stories of the day that's been. Now turn your gaze upwards towards the velvet sky, adorned with countless twinkling stars, each one a beacon of tranquility. Notice how the stars shimmer, their light a soothing lullaby for your soul. Feel their gentle glow enveloping you, filling you with a sense of peace and calm. Imagine yourself lying down on the plush meadow, the soft grass beneath you acting as a cushion, cradling you in its gentle embrace. Let the serene environment wash over you, the quietness of the night acting as a soothing balm for your thoughts, the cool breeze whisking away any lingering worries. Feel the tranquility seep into your being, the peacefulness of the starlit evening bringing a sense of calm and relaxation. Let yourself be one with this serene environment. Let it fill your senses, let it calm your mind, and soothe your spirit. Immerse yourself in this serene environment, letting it calm your mind and soothe your spirit. Slowly bring your focus back to your surroundings, carrying the peacefulness of the starlit evening with you. As we draw this session to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on our journey through the night sky. We've used deep breathing exercises to center ourselves, released the day's tensions, and used visualization techniques to transport us to a serene, starlit evening environment. Remember, the purpose of our evening wind down is to provide a gentle transition from the hustle and bustle of the day to a tranquil and restful night. This daily practice of unwinding is essential for maintaining a balanced state of mind and promoting overall well-being. So, whether it's part of your nightly routine or a tool for those more stressful nights, let this meditation guide you towards a peaceful evening. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May the tranquility from this session accompany you into a peaceful evening and restful night's sleep.